So this is a room before. It is now the next day. Ooh. I'm pretty happy with the results. So for anything that I missed, I touched up on it today. Lena, can you please help me? Why don't you say anything? Do you want to try?
No.
Try.
我也是，以后就睇准了，睇准了，这个水气就是掉泪。哎呦，打开吧。
So this is a room before. I love it. I have a queen bed, but I got a super king quilt, and this makes such a big difference because my mattress is like really high. Like this is a really high mattress, so it's so much better with like a super king because it drags onto the floor and just looks so luxurious. Anyways, just not budget. For the curtain, I want to go for like a French linen look in brown. This is all I have so far, so I'm going to just use that for now. Everything on my bed I got from Pillow Talk. They were on sale. I love my bed frame and my bedside table. It's so nice and they go so well together. I love my lamp. It's wireless, like it's so cool. I love the rug as well. The rug is a washable rug, so I can actually clean it. I want to have a pet later on in my life, so this will be really good, especially when they first train as a puppy. They pee a lot.